Now I am going to explain NCERT 9th class exercise 2.5 problem number 4, which is on page number 49. See, identities are most important. Okay, so first problem in the question is asking us to expand each of the following using suitable identity. We should expand of given polynomial by using the identity. Okay, without identity it is not possible. What the question is asking, expand each of the following using suitable identity. What it is given, we are going to find out by using the suitable identity. See here, it is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. What is x plus y plus z whole square? X square x plus y plus z whole square is equals to it will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. 2zx or 2xz, no problem. Okay, it is in the form of. Now here x is equals to how much? X only. Y is equals to 2y and z is equals to 4z. See here I am using here x, y, z. You can use ABC. Okay, ABC also, no problem. No need not to get confused with the identity. So I am using x, y, z. Okay. Actually, if you solve this one, you will get the wrong one because x will get cancelled, answer will be 1. So assumption we are taking. Okay. Now x plus 2y plus 4z square is equals to, now x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x. 4z into x. Now we will write this one. X square it will be x square only plus 2 to the 4y square, 2 to the 4y square. Now 4 for the 16 z square plus 2 into x, 2x into 2, 4 into y, 4xy plus 2 to the 4 for the 16 yz plus 2 for the 8 zx or xz. This is the answer. Now see these problems. If you know the identities, this problem will be very easy for you. If you are not good in identity, it is highly impossible to get the problem. To get the problem, it is must to get the identity. Okay. Now we will go for the second problem of this one. Second problem. Okay. What is the second question? 2x minus y plus z whole square. 2x minus y plus z whole square. See here. It is also in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. That is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx plus 2zx. This formula we are going to use in this one. Same formula what we used in the previous question. Same formula we are using in this also. Okay. Now x is equal to how much? It is 2x. Y take it as minus y take it as minus y. Z is equal to, it is z. Now substitute in the formula. What is that? 2x minus y plus z whole square equal to, if for a better understanding, put the brackets square. Okay, plus 2 into 2 brackets plus 2 into brackets plus 2 into. Now x value is how much? It is 2x. Y minus y and z, it will be z only. Now x is how much? 2x, then y then here y, then z, here 2x into z, 2x into z. Now put in the formula, 2 to the how much is 4x square minus y square minus y minus y minus y into minus y, how much it will be? Minus y into minus y plus y. Okay, so plus y square plus z square, 2 to the 4. Now plus into minus minus, minus 4x y. Now plus into minus minus, so minus 2y z, then plus 2 to the 4x z, 4x z. This is the answer. Remember one thing, here we are getting the minus for y. For y it is getting minus. See, in the first it will be plus only, all three will be plus, no minus will be there. In the next one, wherever you are getting minus, wherever you are getting y, you will keep minus. See here you are getting y here with this 4, so it will be minus. Here also you are getting with 2, so it will be minus. This is the answer for the second one. This is the answer for the second one. Now we will see for the next two, that is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Now in the form of, it is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square equal to, it is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. It is in the form of a plus b, x plus y plus z whole square, that is 2x x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now x is equals to, here it is minus 2x, y is equals to 3y, z is equals to 2z, z is equals to 2z, z is equals to 2z. Now we will substitute in the formula. As I said you that you should not get confused. For not getting confused, what we have to do, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square equal to, keep the brackets, keep the powers. Okay, you will not get confused in this one. You will not get confused in this one. Okay, so not to get confused, it is it will be very easy for you to do. Okay, it will be very easy for you to do. Now plus for this z square plus 2 into plus 2 into plus 2 into, okay. Now x value is how much? Minus 2x, y value 3y, and z value 2z. In this put x and y, here y, z, here zx or xx, no problem, it will be same. It will be same. You need not to get confused, it will be same only. Okay. Now it will be 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square plus into minus, minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12xy. Now plus 2 3 the 6, 6 4 the 6 to the 12yz plus into minus, minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8xz, 8xz. This is the answer for this one. Now we will go for the next one. See here, in this problem we can make one more. Now we will, actually this is previous I have written C, but it is A. It is A. Now we will substitute. It is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. See, you can use x minus y minus z whole square formula also, but we will use this identity only, which is given in the textbook. Okay, you can use that another identity for solving this also. The formula will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now we will substitute. X is equals to how much? 3a. Y is equals to minus 7b, and z is equals to minus c. We will substitute in the formula. Now 3a minus 7b minus c whole square is equals to, brackets open close, so that you should not get confused. It is the better way to do. Okay, it will be the better way to do. Okay. Now 2 bracket close plus 2. See, place is not sufficient. That's why I am writing down. No problem. You can write in one line. Okay. Now 3a minus 7b minus c. In this one 3a minus 7b, then minus 7b into minus c, then 3a into minus c or minus c into 3a. No problem. It will be same only. Okay. Now 3a square it will be 9a square minus square it will be plus square plus 49b square plus c square. 2 3 the 6 6 7 the 42 minus 42ab plus into minus 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 into minus plus 2 7 the 14bc, then plus into minus minus 2 3 the 6ac 6ac. This is the answer for this fourth question. Okay. Now we will go for the next one. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. It is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay. Now x is equal to how much? It is minus 2x, y is equal to 5y, and z is equal to minus 3z. We will substitute in the formula. The formula now minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square is equal to now minus 2x 5y minus 3z. Now 2x 5y 5y minus 3z. Next minus 3z minus 2x minus 2x. Now it will be 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square plus into minus minus 2 to the 4 4 5 are 20 plus minus 20 xy plus into minus minus 2 5 are 10 10 3 are 30 yz plus into minus 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 into minus plus 2 3 the 6 6 to the 12xz 12xz. This is the answer for this problem. This is the answer for this problem. Next we will see for the next problem. Next question it is given sixth last question of this last bit of this question. In this one 1 by 4 a minus 1 by 2 b plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. Now it is also in the form of it is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now x is equal to 1 by 4 a, y is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 b, and z is equal to it is 1. Z is equal to it is 1. Now we will substitute in the formula. What it is given 1 by 4 a 1 by 2 b plus 1 whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now a square is how much? 1 by 4 1 by 4 a b minus 1 by 2 b again 1 next 1 by 4 a into minus 1 by 2 b next minus 1 by 2 b into 1 next 1 into 1 by 4 a 1 by 4 a. Now we will put 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 a square, it will become 1 by 16 a square plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1 plus 2, these 2 and 2 get cancelled, make it cancel, no problem. So plus into minus, okay, ab by 4 ab by 4 next 2 to cancel, plus into minus b next 2 1 2 2 the 4, then it will be plus 1 by 2a 1 by 2a. This is the answer, 1 by 2a 1 by 2a. Okay, see it is not 1 by a, it will be, see here a is in the numerator, so a by 4 a by 4 minus a, see last at last for a by 2 it will be a by 2. So this is the answer for this question, this is the answer solution, this is the total solution of this problem,